Hi, this is Jeffrey Kerr Financial Group. Today is Friday the 13th, Friday, September 13th, 2024. And not sure if Charles Dickens was a stock trader or not, but it's to quote Dickens, it was the worst of times and it's the best of times. So last week, starting the month, stock market terrible, bond market going up in price, down in yield, commodities falling apart. And I talked about this at an earlier video, but everything going down, oil prices going down, gold going down, bond yields, stocks, the whole thing. And then this week, we have the best of times. Everything's up, the stock market's rebounded, gold, near a record or at a record this morning. Bond yields moving back up a little bit, but commodities rebounding, stocks rebounding, and like that. So, and it's I don't know if there's a lot of narrative to this because yes, we got the CPI that was a little bit better, but initially the market sold off on the CPI news, and then it rallied, and it's rallied strong yesterday and again this morning. The S&P 500 for the month, S&P's recovered almost all of last week's drop. The NASDAQ composite has not recovered almost, but a very nice bounce. And the Russell 2000, which again encompasses a larger universe of stocks that are primarily smaller companies, that has rebounded, but again has not recaptured everything lost last week. So, we'll see. I think that there's been some uptick, or at least less deterioration with some of the economic data this week. And that's encouraging, I think, some of the bulls in the market, and maybe looking forward, lower interest rates are going to spur the economy and like that. So that may be part of it. I also think that it's also somewhat related to investment in institutional flows. And I return back to the dealer gamma situation, which has been negative, which does just perpetuate and accelerate whatever the direction of the move is. So that's been the condition for a couple of weeks, and that may be playing a role in this rally as well, which at some point then it would that negative gamma flips to positive, which then does the opposite. So again, a remarkable kind of bounce back given all of the selling, last week. Let's see what happens at the beginning of the week. Thank you for listening. Have a great weekend. Appreciate all the comments and questions, suggestions. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good weekend. Goodbye.